Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be showing you how to use Zoom. Now, before I get started, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on a video. Let's get into it. So Zoom is a virtual video conference. It's like a video communication. And it's based on, it's like a software you need to download. And it's really helpful now that we have the COVID-19 pandemic. So, I'm going to show you how to use it because it's really easy. And recently there was an update. So as you can see, I have two accounts, my sub to Dynamic D and my other sub to Dynamic D. The one right now you're seeing is this guy with the D on it. So you don't need a profile for Zoom. It's free. But I have one and yeah, but it doesn't really matter, okay? So this is how Zoom looks, okay? And it's really, really good, like, because it's one of the best video conference softwares because, like, other ones are hard to use, but, like, this one is really simple because, like, for other ones, you need your account with your email or something like that. But I'll show you how to use Zoom. So Zoom recently had an update, and it's a really good update, so I'll show you it. So you're seeing this from a host perspective, but I'll tell you what's not in the host perspective and what's in the participant view, okay? So the first new thing is that you can actually rearrange your participants however you want. So as you can see right now, my normal cursor is up here, okay, down here. If I bring it to a profile, any profile, it becomes a pen, and a pen allows you to like hold things and drag them around, whatever, okay? So if I just hold it and I can move the profile. So I can swap. Alright? And this is really fun because you can move around if you're in a class with friends. So you have all your friends, your teachers, however you want. The next new thing is that there's more reactions. Reactions were normally the clap and the thumbs up. And by the way, the moving around participants is both you can do as a host and a participant, and these new reactions are also for both. You have heart now, joy, open mouth, which I don't know why that exists, and ta-da. Okay? That's really cool. Now, the next cool thing is that I can actually, in the past it used to be that you have to press gallery view, which would be up here, speaker view, but now you have to press here, and you have to press whatever one you want, okay? Really cool thing. And you can also exit full screen and full screen. You can also release your video order, so it'll go back to however you want. And if I change it up again, oops, one sec, let me change it like that. You can also follow the host video order, okay? So that's, I think that's both, okay? Now, the next cool thing is that you can also, if I go into participants, this is the thing about the host, okay? The host can only do this. Now, if I press on more, I can rename myself and I can edit my profile picture. If you have an account, you can edit your profile picture. If you don't, you can just edit your name. But if I go more on a participant, I can chat with them. I can ask them to start their video. I can make them the host. I can rename them, so I'm going to write, like the video. Oh yeah, that's a reminder. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like it because I'm making these videos for you. And especially now that we have the COVID-19 pandemic, these videos are going to be really helpful for you guys. Okay? Like the video. And I can also put them in the waiting room, which means they'll just wait. So if I put them in the waiting room, okay, I can go to my participants. I can message him saying, hi, okay, and this is what a host can do, and then I can also admit them. So now he'll join into my meeting. See, he's in. The next cool thing is I can remove them. I'm not going to do it because I'm going to have to log in on my account and then report them. And yeah, this is only host. You can also mute all your participants, and yes. And you can also press allow, uncheck this. So it's called a paramute. So where your participants can't unmute themselves. We have to, like, I, being the host, have to give them the permission. Okay? The next chat, okay, you can change whoever you want, like the video, everyone in the meeting, or everyone in the waiting room. File, you can do this. So you can change whoever you want to message, and you can file for everyone. You can also save the chat, but the host can choose who to chat, like who gets to chat. So you get to chat with no one, that means it's disabled. You get to chat with the host only. So I'm going to write a message to me. So it looks like. So I'm going to write myself a message. Boom. Comment down below if you found this helpful. Okay? And yeah, do that, okay? You can type, so everyone can chat publicly, so I can say, see, this says everyone instead of me privately, sorry. And everyone publicly and privately. That means my second account can talk to, if there's a third member, that third member, and without me knowing. You can record your screen, record the meeting, and you can also share screen. So sharing screen allows you to share the screen with everyone, okay? I'm gonna, let's say if I want to share my screen, I could share, I don't have anything. You can like share a whiteboard, share. Like you had a whiteboard. So then I can teach, say, like the video. And I can also choose if participants are allowed to write on it. So if I go into like, whiteboard, disable annotation. So my other person cannot annotate. Unless if I say enable. So then my second account can like write hi. And I can see what he wrote. Okay? Stop share. I can also choose who gets to share. Now this is only for the host. But like the host can choose who to want. You can choose multiple participants. And advanced means who can share? All participants. Who can start sharing? Host. So like these are really good settings you should have. Okay. The next one I did the chat. So now I'm going to show you the really good update that happened and some really good settings that you should do. So I'm going to press video settings. Okay, and I'm going to first start off with general. So here are the basic general settings, and I will move my thing down. So start with Zoom when I start Windows. I don't suggest you do that, but you can do it if you want. When closed, minimize windows to the notification area instead of the taskbar. That's, like I said, that's up to you. Two things that I suggest is ask me to confirm when I leave a meeting, because it's technology, so you accidentally might press it, and if you don't have that confirmed, then you're going to have to leave the meeting, wait again to join, get in the waiting room, and etc. etc. So do that. Show my connected time. I suggest that because it's good to have your like a time limit. And what's really interesting is that it only affects, like right now it says 23:47 right up here. What's really interesting is that on my iPad, my second device, it only shows me 22 minutes. So it shows you how long you were in that meeting. It doesn't show you how long the meeting was. So, and you can also choose always show my meeting controls. So this will allow you, every time you press Alt, it'll disappear up here. You can change your reaction skin tone. Normally it's yellow, but like I chose something more realistic, like medium, dark, or dark. Videos is where you can change your video settings. So I have different cameras right now. I have an OBS virtual camera. That's up to you. Mirror my video. Okay. So mirror my video means that, let's say you're in a meeting, okay? And your water bottle is to the left of you. In the video, like your camera, if you do not have mirror my video, it'll appear to the right of you. So right now, see, now look, it looks awkward because like look, if I press mirror my video and uncheck it, it looks normal. And if I mirror my video, it looks backwards, but that's how it's going to work. You can also rotate 90 degrees if you want to have fun, however you want. You can touch up my appearance, so you can change that if you want. Always display participants' names on their video. I suggest doing that. Turn off my, look, if I uncheck that, and then I close it. Wait, I think I did it wrong. I think it should work. I don't know. You can also switch your camera, by the way. So I'm just going to keep that. Scroll down. Hide non-video participants. You can do that. See myself as an active speaker. Sure. Turn off my video when joining meetings. Yes, I suggest doing that because if you accidentally have a meeting on and you're accidentally doing something that you wouldn't want to show to the camera, because what's really weird about Zoom is that sometimes it turns it on and sometimes it turns it off. But if you have this, it's a guarantee turned off. So, okay. So, you can also change your maximum participants. Mine only does 25, but you can also do 49. I don't know why 50, but yeah. Audio is where you have your mic and your speaker. If I press this, I think you guys just heard it. That was another one. You can also test your mic, so I can say, subscribe to Dynamic D. Subscribe to Dynamic D. Works, okay? Suppress background noise. I suggest doing that because, if you keep it, let me keep it high. Okay, I'll just keep it medium. It will just be how much noise comes in your background. Automatically join audio, yes, but mute my microphone. Like I said, you do not want to say something that you wouldn't say in front of everyone. So I just suggest you do that. And press and hold space. Yeah, do that. Share screen, that's really not anything. Chat. Background filters. Okay. So recently you could always have virtual backgrounds, but now you can also add video filters. Now with virtual backgrounds, either you need a green screen or a good computer that would allow you to use it without a green screen. My PC obviously doesn't allow me to do that, so every time I press uncheck this, it's your device does not support virtual backgrounds. Just press that. Video filters doesn't need you to do that. So I can become a TV, I can become a movie theater, however you want. And if you press Studio Effects Beta, boom, you can add eyebrows, mustaches, lip color, whatever you want. Statistics and then keyboard shortcuts is the next one. This one allows you to change your shortcuts. So always show meeting controls, and some of them are permanent. You can't change them. So I cannot change this one, but I can change stop my video. So that's currently up, and I have down. Mute everyone, stop screen sharing. You can also press restore defaults, and this is a way because let's say your Zoom crashes and you can't move your mouse. You can always press a keyboard shortcut. Okay. Accessibility. It's just closed caption size, so how big you want it. Okay. Chat display. MI and all these thing. And you can always restore defaults. So this was a short tutorial on how to use Zoom. And remember, if you guys like the video, to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on the video. And comment down below if you found this helpful. And also comment down below if I should make another video on using a different software like Cisco WebEx or Google Meet. See you later, guys. Goodbye. And also, check out my other video. See you later, guys.